Alright guys, back to you with another video on the Blazer. In the last video we installed the battery, checked all the fuses, that was good. And now we're just gonna spec for like stuff he may have missed, like little stuff like hoses off or something like that before we get into it. I mean, he claimed he did the plugs, wires, and all this other stuff, but you know, I have to go over it to check for myself. Because this one of the vehicles, you see parts in the inside, so you really don't know what's going on. And then it's brand new plugs in the inside, so you change the plugs, but you got brand new plugs in the inside. I don't get it, but anywho, let me yeah, he did say he did a heater coil too, because you had to take the dash off. That explains why the top of it cracked and missing some pieces, but that's neither here or there. Let me get into this. All right, guys, it's kind of cool out here, so I'm just gonna look around, and I'm gonna take the air thing off, but I'm not gonna do that now. So for the throttle body, I'm gonna look and check for hoses and stuff first. We're gonna go from there first, and then let's see. See if I can find anything that's loose or visible. Make sure all these plugs and like wires pushed in all the way. Because you know some of them, if that's not in there right, push back, it won't start. All them seem like they in there. Oh my God, let me see. Okay. Guys, look at this. See that? A wobbly distributor cap. I don't know if it's cracked or if it's loose, it's not tightened all the way down. That would definitely stop it from starting. So we're gonna start there first. That may not be the problem, but hey, we're gonna start there. I told you I don't want to start replacing stuff. I want to check for stuff that was incorrectly done or not tightened up. I don't know if that's cracked or not tightened, but we will see. Let me get my torque. I think it's a T20. Let me get my my torque wrench, and then well, before I tighten that up or try to do anything to that, I'm gonna put well, let's just try to tighten it up first. Let me see. If it tightens up, and then I'll loosen it back up just a little bit, and then I'll put a blow dry on it for like 5 or 10 minutes to dry that moisture out of there. Because I know if it's that, these distributor clamps on the Chevys, all of them, the 8-cylinder, the 4.3 to 5.7s and stuff like that, they notorious for getting moisture in there. So without it being loose, so I know if it's loose, it's all type of moisture and maybe even corrosion. But before I clean it or replace it, I'm gonna sit that blow dry on it for like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna see if I can tighten it up, and then we're gonna go from there. We might be able to get this thing started, guys. And then if that's the case, I get it started, then I'll start cleaning the inside out. I just want to get it running. Even if it run like, you know, maybe miss or whatever, I just want to get this thing started. That's a start. So let me do that, and then I'll turn it back on. All right, guys. I just I hit it with the blow dry for like 7 minutes. I don't want to put too much heat on it. And I was gonna use my heat gun, but that's probably too hot. I didn't want to melt none. And then I tighten it down with this the T20, and then let's see what we get, guys. Let's see what we get. Oh boy. Let's see if we get anything. More spinning though with it start. Oh God, let's see. Oh guys, it started up. That may have been the problem. You see how it was just spinning? That's what it was doing at first. It was just spinning, 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 and it won't catch. It feel like you're running a little bit rough, but it's not missing, if that makes any sense. It feel like it's running hard, but it's not missing. Don't sound like it. And I'm getting no engine lights, but that could be because I had put a battery in everything reset. But I'm gonna drive it and see what's to it, see how I ride and everything like that. But there you go, guys. We got it running. I'm gonna let this run for a minute because I don't want to shut it off. I'm gonna let everything dry out under there. So I'm gonna let this run for a second till it's up to operating temperature, and then I'm gonna cut it off. It look like it got no gas, so I'm actually need to put some I probably put some gas and some MMO in there, some Marvel mystery oil in there in a tank, and then see what we got. But let it run up to operating temperature. Man, I don't know what maybe the guy was maybe the guy was just, I don't know, man. Maybe he's frustrated, or he was putting so many parts and doing so much stuff up under there, he overlooked it or forgot to tighten it up, or maybe it came loose. I don't know. I never had one that came loose, but I'm just trying to see what happened. Sometimes you get so frustrated, you gotta do the basic steps. That's why I did the basic steps. I know y'all was like, why you just checking the fuses or this and that? Because you gotta do the basic stuff. You gotta clean the terminals, check all the fuses, and you gotta go step by step. See, some people, when people get a vehicle and it's not running, they automatically just go get plugs and wires, distributor cap, sensors. And, you just don't want to do that, because if there's nothing wrong with those sensors up under there, why replace them? You're gonna get the same results. So there you have it. If you do something, go step by step. Start with cleaning the terminal connectors, which where your power cut from. Then you check the fuses. So I'm gonna let this run, guys, and I'm gonna cut this video short because I'm kind of happy I got it running. And next video we'll talk about, I'll tell you if anything wrong with it. I'm gonna drive it and see if the engine light come on or if it's chugging or missing. But that's gonna be the next video. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Out.